Well, it's a growing problem around the U.S., and now Vermont leaders are speaking up on dental care. A study shows almost 60% of kids have cavities but can't afford treatment. And today, Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders held a town meeting in Montpelier to talk about the issue. Fox 44's Matt Vanderveer has the story.
It's been dubbed the silent epidemic.
In 2009, I would need a major root canal and would have to pay out of pocket.
Whenever I have an emergency, they're so hooked up that I can't get in. My mouth is only one part of my entire body, and it's the only part that's not covered.
That's why Vermont State Senator Bernie Sanders held a town meeting in Montpelier to talk about the dental crisis in Vermont.
This is an issue that is of huge consequence, but doesn't get really the kind of attention that it deserves.
Sanders says dental care isn't just a health issue, but also an economic issue.
Somebody comes walking into your office for a job, and that person doesn't have any teeth in their mouth. What they are saying is there's a big P on their forehead. They are poor.
The last study done in 2009 on this issue shows about 17 million low-income children did not receive dental care. But it's not just kids that went without. Now get this, in 2009 alone, there were more than 70,000 adults who did not receive dental care simply because they couldn't afford it. Those numbers, Sanders says, are staggering.
We ignore the fact that 130 million Americans have no dental insurance.
Sanders asked people to leave their stories of lack of dental care on his website.
We received over 1,200 comments from people. 400 of them came from the state of Vermont. That is a whole lot.
The startling statistics are why Sanders says something needs to be done. In Montpelier, Matt Vanderveer, Fox 44 News.